The benefits of using neem soap for acne and a recipe to make this yourself at home. 1. Acne is a common problem around the world. This is where pimples or spots appear most commonly on the face, neck and back area. 2. There are many chemical products and pills on the market to get rid of acne. However, neem soap is a completely natural remedy and is gentle on the skin. 3. Neem leaves are used in herbal medicine and work especially well at healing the skin, clearing up acne and getting rid of the scars. Let's take a look at the recipe. You will need 1 soap mould, 250 gram block of clear glycerin soap, 15 grams of neem essential oil. Method: melt the glycerin in a pan over medium heat. Add the neem oil after the glycerin has dissolved and then pour into a mould. Allow this to set and release from the mould. You can add extra fragrance oils if you wish and create your own blend of essential oils. To speed up the process, place the mould in the freezer and this will cool the soap faster, ready for use. If you do not have neem essential oil, you can squeeze the juice from fresh neem leaves and add this instead. Use more juice for this method as it is less concentrated than the oil. 4. The neem oil is very powerful, which is why only a small amount is needed to create this wonderful soap. 5. Use this soap on the skin every day, making sure to apply this all over pimples and spots. 6. Be sure to coat the area between the nose and the face as this is where a lot of facial oil can build up, causing acne. 7. Let this sit on the skin for 2 to 3 minutes before washing with warm water. This will allow the neem to destroy any harmful bacteria and fungi. 8. This triggers a deep cleansing effect on the pores due to the natural compounds found within neem. Naturally, this will prevent blackheads and whiteheads. 9. Neem contains antibacterial agents and vitamins which clears up infections within the skin. This also works on psoriasis and ringworm infections. 10. Neem soap also gently whitens the skin when used regularly over the period of a month or more. This removes dead skin cells from the surface and allows fresh, lighter cells to grow in their place. 11. To learn more about neem leaves and neem oil, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated and remember to subscribe for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.